Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the name of your iPhone in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First of all, go ahead and unlock your iPhone and open up the Settings app. From the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. Now, tap on About on the top of the screen. Now tap on your name at the top and go ahead and delete the current name and enter the new name you want for your iPhone. After you are done, click on Done at the bottom right to save the change. And that's it. You have successfully changed the name of your iPhone. This new name will show up when you connect to AirDrop, your hotspot, or other devices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.